Are you looking for the best belt disc sander? In this video, we will break down the top 4 belt disc sander. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Wen Belt Disc Sander. The Wen 6500 2T Belt Disc Sander is present in the first position in this reviews, as it is one of the cheapest options and still offers a lot of things for the given price tag. You get a 6-inch sanding disc along with a 36-inch into 4-inch sanding belt. You get a 2-year-long warranty along with a great build quality. With this belt disc sander, that is not expected at this price tag. It even offers a highly sturdy cast iron base for high stability. All of these things result in a high value for money with this belt disc sander. At number 2, Rikon Power Tools 50-151. Rikon's 50-151 belt and disc sander combo is not only a great machine, but it's also available at an immensely attractive price. With a 1-inch 30-inch sanding belt and a 5-inch sanding disc, it's a versatile machine. Couple that with a 13 HP 2.3 amp motor, and you've got a great machine for casual light-duty work. It's well assembled and has built-to-last components such as a brushless motor, sealed ball bearings and dust-protected switches. It's fairly lightweight and small as well, so it's very easy to move around and store. It has 2 dust ports, one for each sander, which can be connected to dust collectors for extremely efficient dust removal. At number 3, Jet J4002. A large disc on your belt disc sander provides you with more sanding real estate, which can accommodate bigger workpieces and last longer. This is where the Jet J4002 excels. The belt's abrasive surface will perform as excellently as a jigsaw in removing material and producing smooth finishes simultaneously. Power takeoff is another impressive feature of this belt, which allows you to mount an optimal flex shaft that can be used for carving, drum sanding, deburring, and many more applications. This sander also comes with a removable platen, which supports grinding, sanding, and finishing odd-shaped workpieces. At number 4, Rockwell RK7866 Belt Disc Sander. This belt disc combo offered by Rockwell is well constructed, durable and powerful. With a size of 12.6 into 10.6 into 21.7 inches and a weight of 41 pounds, this wood sander has a 4 into 36-inch belt, a belt table that tilts up to 90 degrees, a 6-inch disc, an adjustable sanding table, a 4.3 amp heavy-duty motor, and a quick-release belt lever. The package also includes a 45-degree miter gauge, an Allen key, a belt, and a disc sander, so this could be ideal for any professional. In general, users are extremely satisfied with the quality and performance of the Rockwell belt sander combo. The reviewer states that this wood belt sander is powerful, heavy-duty, and the belt never slips off.